Special. Actually, we are the guests at
Milada
her.
Sárová's President Hotel, and this is one of the best in Karlovy Vary. We have like more than 62 hotels in Karlovy Vary, but this is our preferable one because everything is new, friendly, heart-oriented, heart-centered, and all our group from Canada, first people who came, no English, no Czech, no Russian, no Czech. Yeah, because a lot of people here speak Russian and Czech, but everything was so comfortable, so accommodating, and staff, and thank you, Milada. Everything was just great.
Thank you very much that you are coming. I think our hotel is a small hotel, familiar hotel, and I am very happy if the people come again and we start be bigger family. With my guest.
Diane, our wellness interviewer in Canada, in Vancouver, and she would like to ask you a couple of questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's nice coming here at the end of the trip because we're leaving tomorrow, and so I can actually tell you some of the things that I've experienced and find out how, just a little bit more personal information about you, about how did it all come about that you even chose this, and what inspired you to
why I am coming here and why I'm working here, yes? I was coming here after a wedding, and preventive medicine is for me very popular because I like the people healthy. And here in Karlovy Vary we have fantastic mineral water, which is only in Karlovy Vary, with 60 minerals, temperature 72 degrees Celsius, 2000 liters each minute, and the people drink it and clean the body. And I am doctor from mineral medicine, but to this we make examination for rehabilitation, balneology, and physiotherapy, and we can make with body many different treatments with natural sources. It is gas, mineral water, and mud. And we make in our hotel complex medical therapy, and to this wellness therapy with more moving, Nordic walking, and actually with aqua gymnastic, etc. And because the ladies like be beautiful, some treatment with cosmetic treatment, and I think everybody in family can find what he likes. Yeah.
Yes, and you, your training is actually, you are MD, medical doctor?
Yeah, I am medical doctor. I finished 74 in Brno University, 6 years medicine. And after this, our practice for spa is around 5 years. After 5 years, you make one big examination that you are really mineral specialist. And you can work in hospital, in clinic, but if you like stay with this preventive medicine, because we have in Czech Republic 35 different spas, and these different spas have different natural sources, and we have really in Czech Republic a big specialization for balneology, and it is the second examination after next 5 years. It was for me in 85. I make examination again in Prague with 3 professors, one for rehabilitation, one for physiatry, and the next for balneology. And if you have all this examination and practice 10 years, you can be director or head physician in sanatoriums.
What I found really great also is you actually take our blood tests, and you do a life scan test as well. How does that help you in finding out what the needs of most people are?
We have clients, they have chronic illnesses, diabetes, gout, etc. For these clients, we make blood tests normally, biochemistry with cholesterol, liver test, etc. But I prefer tests which I say live test. And I control how much each cell in our body has antioxidant and how we have energy. Because I am old, I will be next year 70, and in this I think so. I think that if I feel happy with enough energy, I am not ill. And this is my medicine. Start with this cell, because each cell has water. Our body water is 70% weight. It means if you are here 3 weeks, drink 20 liters mineral water, you change half of quantity your body water, and this water is for new cells, these very important things. To this we can put more antioxidants, vitamins. In water is 60 minerals. It means the cells start work much better, liver, new cells regenerate. And we change really fat liver. We can have very positive effect on all inflammation with gastritis, pancreatitis, etc. Yeah, colitis.
And what about food? Do you prescribe eating certain types of foods?
In Karlovy Vary, first of all, is drinking cure. It is the first therapy. 3 times daily, drink around 1 liter mineral water, individual how the doctor prescribe it. But second is diet. Many clients have bad food. I think in America is everything quick. In Canada possibly is better. But I know that the people don't eat so good how they need. And we control this diet, and we start, we have 9 different diets in Karlovy Vary. For diabetes, for gastritis, for kidney, for obesity. And I think it's very good that we know what the people need, and we prepare food fresh. This is very good that they have enough fruits and vegetables and meat.
And we experience that every day, such a variety. And I don't know who is your chief, but your chief, not just a really good chief, it's kind of like art director, food director,
really,
because
really.
Everything is so beautiful, like looking.
Yeah. His name is Pavel Svoboda, and he is really not only fantastic cook, he makes sport, bicycling, and etc. He's a very good man. Yeah.
I noticed mostly all the staff have been super friendly and loving, and seem like they really love what they do. Is it quite hard to choose who you're going to?
You know, good quality of personnel is every time very complicated, but I am happy because I have my staff. They are mostly people they like work with me, and I am a happy woman that I am not so in stress that I must find the people come to me.
The same attracts the same, how we say in Canada.
Yes,
because
like
you are
attracts
so
like.
you are so open-hearted. You are really friendly,
I like
kind.
that the people love the job. I ask every time, what do you make with love? Make it, because I think if you make it with love, you make it better. How another works, and it is this positive. Yeah.
I have to say that's the first time a doctor ever said that to me, because when we had our consultation after my blood test, that was one thing that you said, just make sure that you're sending the food love, that you're having it, eating it in love. And that is a really good extra prescription that I found, and it really warmed my heart as well. So back to the mineral waters again, because I was looking for directions for finding number 11 out there. And one person had said, you don't have to choose between one mineral water, where they were all the same. What do you say to people like that?
Really, the chemical analysis, this water is the same, because it's 2 kilometers underground, one lake with one chemistry. But upstairs is going with different gas quantity of CO2, and if you have more CO2, the temperature is lower. Yeah, and this water is working better with kidney and by constipation, for example. hot water have not so much gas and is better for spasmolytic effect. It means if I like that the people clean liver, pancreas, I prescribe water 60 degrees Celsius. And we have temperature from 30 to 72, and I think this is this opinion of doctor that he can really individual prescribe. If you are coming with constipation, for example, I write for you few days, 3-4 days, one water. And after 3 days, I see you are perfect, and I change this temperature to another. Spring, for me, is very good if the people can stay 3 weeks. Yeah, this is now problem that the people don't have time. But in 3 weeks, you drink 20 liters water, and I have chance make this correction with temperature of water, and really we slowly clean all your body. Yeah, this is very good. And the treatment together, I think 3 weeks is for a nerve system, autonomic nervous system, the best. Yeah.
For us from Canada, if somebody can afford, maybe 4 weeks, even better.
For older people or people they have really retired and they have more times, I recommend if you fly so long way, if you can stay longer, is fantastic, because the history drinking cure and the therapy is 700 years, and mostly the people stay here. How, for example, Goethe, Johann Wolfgang Goethe, he was coming with horses every time for 6 weeks. 6 weeks, yes.
And so what about vascular, like thinning of the...
Yeah, this is, I say every time that we are big channel and smaller channels. And if we ladies like clean our house, we take a lot of water, hot water. And it is the same with our body. We slowly clean the big channel, but if we are longer, the water is coming to each channels, to brain, to all cells in our body. And this effect. Be healthy is very easy. Only drink clean and healthy water and make some nice treatment which makes you happy and help you. Here is very important temperature, possibly ice therapy, cryotherapy, or hot therapy, mud therapy. And again, if you have inflammation, I put cold. If you have some spasmolytic problem, I give hot treatment. And this changing is again very important that you come home healthy. Yeah.
Yeah, and another thing that I learned about myself, which was shocking, is you said my cholesterol was too low.
Too low.
So there must be more people like me.
Yeah.
Do you see that very often? And what do you usually say to them?
Diana, you are a very beautiful lady, which really, I think, you control you too much. And I think that you are so healthy that you are low, and cholesterol is very important in the body. I like that your cholesterol is normal, and I really think if you eat around 20% more how you eat, it will be for your body better. Yeah. You stay again 2 liters water every day, but your food can be a little bit more fat, a little bit chocolate, a little bit something, ice cream. I don't know, what do you like?
My mom would love it that you said this.
Yeah, yeah, that you have your cholesterol normal, because lower cholesterol is...
Yeah, it's everything should be in balance.
Yeah.
If it's low, it's low.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very interesting. It was just, and you had something there that you wanted to show us too, the pancreas.
Yes, just minutes.
Yeah. Could you also bring that cholesterol one too? That was also very interesting to me.
Now first I finish my work about Goethe. It's small
Yeah,
present.
we can show it to our clients as well.
It is a very, very old picture how Johann Wolfgang Goethe is coming 250 years ago to Karlovy Vary. You see the river is hot because it has a hot mineral spring, and the horses have bathing in the river, and the houses are only 1 or 2 floors, and This is very old historical. I think it's for you.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
And now a little bit more about your blood. You see, this is all types of hyperlipoproteinemia. If you have higher cholesterol and higher triglycerides, the blood is very fat and very unhealthy. But Diana is very healthy and a little bit less. I think that she is normal, yes? And if we make laboratory test biochemistry, we know all types of cholesterol. We make this triglyceride and arteriosclerotic index, etc. Yeah. And about gastrointestinal, if you are drinking water, the water alkalize your stomach, is coming to duodenum, and in duodenum wash your liver and your pancreas, and is coming later to your intestine and clean your intestine. I think that really this water is our body water, which clean all this pipe and later all organs which are together with digestive system, liver, pancreas. Historically, every time was our water for diabetes. It means we have many clients, they are coming every year here with chronic diabetes, with this illness, because diabetes have complications with retinopathy, nephropathy, neuropathy, and we, with our therapy, gas injection, CO2 therapy, oxygen therapy, effect on these complications, and the people stay many years without complications, and this is important.
I'm just noticing on the other side here you have something.
This is only membrane mucus in the stomach. Like if you are looking, hot water has gas open this membrane mucus, hot water wash all bacteria, they are here, and after this all minerals, calcium, magnesium, lithium, selenium, zinc are coming to blood, and they are materials for building new cells healthy. Yeah?
That's beautiful.
We mechanically clean membrane mucus and really we wash our inner organs.
That's fabulous. Yes. With myself, I coach and teach a lot to do with the mindset and having a good attitude and having amazing relationships with each other. And to have someone like yourself in harmony with that, with the medical part of us, it's an incredible combination. And I really want to thank you for doing what you do.
Thank you very much.
And we will definitely make sure that the website to this location and to you is on our channel. And
yes, I like only tell you, I am really happy because I had clients from 60 countries, you know, and I love everybody, because if the mommy has one child which is ill, I see how her heart is complicated, and I am very happy if can I help them. And the help here in Karlovy Vary is really very easy, because you can go evening to symphonical orchestra or theater or ball, and you must not be in hospital. This is preventive medicine, which is really brings you new energy, and with this new energy you really start be younger and again healthy. Yeah, please, if you can come to us, and we make this friendship and peace in the world. Yes.
and other coaches, wellness professionals out there who want to bring their group here, and Svetlana can definitely help you
travel
get
professional
here.
will make everything easy,
Get here.
safe, and with the most comfort, and you will feel as a VIP.
Yes. And thank you for doing what you do and making a difference. Really appreciate